Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Spark 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, external one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop off the case of your phone, if you have one on. And on the top left side of the device you will find a tray. So right here, grab your tool, push it in there, and you can see once you do, tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. There we go. Once you have the cards on the tray, insert them back into your device. And when you do so, these cards should start working right away. Just give it a second. Or actually, the SIM card that I have inserted doesn't have a pin on it, so it automatically just starts working. If you have a pin, you would need to confirm it, obviously. And SD card works as well, as I can already see the notification right here. So if I navigate here, you can see Samsung SD card. So yeah, both of the cards are working just fine. Now with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.